Every year, the world produces over 400 million tons of plastic waste. But what if I told you that this waste is someone else's income? What if I told you that you could start a plastic recycling business from scratch and turn trash into a steady 3,000 plus monthly income? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start a plastic recycling business, even if you have zero experience. Stay to the end, and I'll share where to find buyers for crushed plastic and how to start with as little as $500. The world is drowning in plastic. But guess what? This crisis creates a huge business opportunity. As governments push for greener practices, recycled plastic is now in high demand. From packaging companies to textile firms, many industries now pay well for used plastic, and especially PET bottles. And the best part? Anyone can get started, even from home. Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Collecting plastic bottles. Gather used plastic bottles from households, event centers, schools, or buy from collectors. Step 2. Sorting and cleaning. Only certain plastics are valuable. Focus on PET bottles, used for soda and water. Clean bottles sell for better prices. Step 3. Crushing or shredding. Crush bottles manually or with machines to reduce volume and prepare for resale. Step 4. Packaging. Pack crushed plastic in sacks or bundles. Easy to transport and sell. Step 5. Selling to buyers. Reach out to recycling factories, exporters, or use platforms like LinkedIn, Alibaba, or trade hubs. You can start small. Here's a simple budget breakdown. Basic setup with manual tools. $500 to $800 with a small crushing machine. $1,000 to $2,500. Bigger operation with logistics. $5,000 plus. How much can you earn? On average, 1 ton of clean crushed PET bottles can sell between $300 to $600, depending on the country. Collecting and processing just 500 kilograms weekly could earn you over $1,000 per month in profit. Here are potential buyers of crushed PET: local recycling plants, plastic bag and textile manufacturers, exporters in bulk plastic trade, international buyers on Alibaba, and LinkedIn companies seeking recycled content for packaging. Pro tip: attend plastic industry trade shows and connect with buyers online. To get started, here's what you need: collection bags and bins, a weighing scale, manual or electric crushing machine, gloves, boots, face masks. Optional: tricycle or truck for transportation. Start small, scale fast. Like any business, recycling has challenges: getting clean and sorted plastic, storing large volumes of bottles, finding honest buyers, transporting large loads. But with consistency, many turn this side hustle into a six-figure business over time. Want to increase your chances of success? Start in your neighborhood. Bottles are everywhere. Focus on PET bottles. They sell the best. Build buyer connections early. Even before you begin, join recycling groups and forums to stay updated. You see, this business is not just about money. It's about creating value from what the world throws away. It's about that young person who couldn't get a job, but now earns $50 a day picking plastic. It's about the mother who sends her children to school from the profit of crushed bottles. It's about the man who started with 1 sack and now supplies tons every month to factories overseas. And most importantly, it's about you, watching this video right now. You're not just looking for a hustle. You're looking for freedom, for impact, for something real. This business may be dirty, but it is honest, powerful, and life-changing. The world is already full of waste. What it needs now is people like you who can turn that waste into wealth. If this message speaks to you, share it with someone you care about. Comment below where you're watching from and what you'd like to learn next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning. If you're ready to start turning plastic into profit, this channel is for you. Every week, I'll show you how to grow your business, find buyers, and scale your income, all from waste. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and start building your future from what others throw away. Next video: how to export crushed or uncrushed plastic bottles.